and welcome to my review of the Istar Modern Retro Keyboard. So I was trying to find more information about this keyboard online and only found I think one other video on YouTube, so I hope this helps. When you open it up, it's pretty standard, so you've got your warranty card and the manuals for setting up the keyboard and figuring out what keys do which. The mouse is definitely quite small and chunky compared to the other mouses I use. I do prefer using my Magic mouse, as it seems to sit better in my hand than other ones. But overall the mouse is fine, it's just a little bit too tall for me. The USB receiver is stored at the back of the mouse, which is quite easy to get out. The mouse also takes the same AAA batteries as the keyboard does. The keyboard itself is quite heavy, but overall the size and layout of it is perfect for me. I didn't want something that was too compact, too small or too large. The actual size of the keyboard for me, along with the size of the keys, was perfect for my hands and my reach for the keyboard. The colour itself was also really pretty, and one thing I would say is I wish there was an option to raise the keyboard other than just the rubber grips it comes with. They're great for stopping the keyboard from sliding, but I just wish the keyboard could sit a little bit higher when I was typing. Typing was actually really easy. I got used to the size and layout of the keyboard quite quickly and wasn't tapping any wrong keys by mistake. The only thing that did take me a little while to figure out was the command keys using this keyboard for a Mac setup as opposed to the Microsoft. The keyboard itself definitely has that mechanical keyboard click-clack feel to the keys. But the space bar can be really noisy, as you can hear. And after a while it can get really annoying. Due to the size and the layout of the keyboard, it's also quite easy when you're typing with one hand. The size of the keys and the space between them make it really easy to navigate the keyboard, barely making any mistakes or tapping the wrong key. When I was reading some of the reviews online, I did see a few things about the battery life not lasting very long. I know one reviewer on Amazon had said the keyboard had gone within 3 days of using it. I've had this for about 2.5 weeks now and I haven't changed the batteries once and it's worked fine. I don't know whether that's just down to the batteries I use. I just use I think it's Duracell power cell ones, I'm not sure. I've also saw reviews on Amazon about the keyboard lagging quite bad and that it loses its connection all the time. The past few weeks that I've had the keyboard, I haven't noticed any lag between the keyboard or the mouse, and I don't think it's lost connection once in the time I've been using it. Overall, I'm definitely really happy with this keyboard, and especially for the fact that it only cost £21. And when compared to some of the other typewriter type keyboards that are out there, I know some of them are close to £90 and I know some are over £100, so this being a cheap alternative is definitely one that I'd recommend, and I'll put the link in the description below.